Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now you need to click on System over here. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. After that, tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, Automatic Text Correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on this same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!